Hi everyone, welcome to Excel Dose. In today's video, I will show you how you can make your Google Sheet offline version also. So let's get started with the video. So let's say you are working on a Google Sheet and you might come across a scenario where you are working on an important data set or important charts and suddenly your internet got disconnected. In such case, like how to make sure your Google Sheet is saving your data on a timely manner. For that, what you need to do is you have to enable one of the setting in your Google Sheet. How to enable that particular setting? Simply click on File, and if you scroll a bit down here, you will see there is an option called Make Available Offline. Simply click on this option and you will see here the pop-up document now available offline. So what does it mean is, let's say your internet got disconnected and you still want to write the data or want to make a changes in the data, and it will automatically save in the local drive, and once your sheet is connected to the internet, it will automatically update the sheet. So this is how you can use this particular feature which is available in Google's Sheet. I hope you like this video. Please like, comment and subscribe to Excel Dose. Thank you so much for watching.